Ready? Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Our first elimination match of the day. Let's see what happens. 285Z puts one in the 20 in autonomous. Did they release it though? It does not count? It does not count. It's touching. So, time out. I know. Oh no, they're starting again. Time out, don't count. They're resetting the autonomous. Okay, go. Driver's mode, let's go. Here we go, the first elimination match. This is 4 versus 5. No one has any points yet, but Red does. Red has a 20 and a 10. That's 2587Z for the 4th Alliance captain. (1477A) trying to help out their Alliance partner. (1477) clearing way out. Oh! But they right themselves. 2587, 285Z. Now trying to make their way over to the mobile base with 2 cones already on it thanks to 1477, and they put that in place. 1477 now with 30 seconds left to go. Red with a huge lead right now. 1477 trying to put that in place now if they can get it. 16 seconds to go. Blue needs to do something to catch up. Red's going to take a 1-0 lead here with 8 seconds to go. Again, this is the best 2 out of 3. 2, 1, and 285Z scores it in the last second. Nice done, Red.